Hello, fellow Tekla developers. I recently helped solve what it seems to like a simple question on Tekla forum, how to retrieve assembly mark from a single drawing. While it initially appeared straightforward, diving deeper into the solution, I revealed some interesting aspects. I'm happy to share that users successfully implemented the solution and working well. To help others who might miss this discussion and don't have access to the Tekla forum, I'll creating this video tutorial. Stay tuned. So here I am in Tekla Structures. I have these 4 beams connected with 144 connection, right? I use the standard setting. So these plate number, position number, is used the same in this assembly F7, and this plate also have a position number F7. So the question was, when we are here in this single part drawing, okay, how could we retrieve these 2 different assembly mark while we are here in this drawing? So let's see in Visual Studio how we can achieve that. Let's open the Visual Studio and create a method. So public static enumerable TSM assemblies, and let's call it get assembly related to part drawings or to part. So this method will take a parameter as a single part drawing. So look like GitHub Copilot suggesting me all my work. Look at how good that is. So if I press now a tab, it will accepting his offer, but I'm not going to do that because I want to show you step by step. So let's say tsd dot single part drawing and single part drawing. Okay, and okay. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create a variable of model, new model, and now we need to retrieve a model part. Okay, so the model part would be model part. So ChatGPT doing good job. So it's suggesting me that you can retrieve the model by selecting model part. Now we need to retrieve the part position number, and this is crucial because this part position number is used across all the parts. So this time especially, it's not like all the time ChatGPT proposed you a 100% correct approach or the correct code, but this time is doing because I already wrote this method, so he knows what I'm doing. That's why he's proposing me the correct code all the time. Okay, so once we done that, look at that now, because he knows all my previous code, so he know what I'm doing. So this is very important. We need to create a filter expression to find the part in the models, because from the drawing we don't have access to we don't know how many parts been used in different assemblies, for example. So by searching one by one, it's really time consuming. It will take a huge time, especially when you have lots big model. So filter expression is a really very fast way to find the parts. So that's, I thought it would be a good example to use in this one. So let's accept that. So now we create a filter filter binary filter expression. And this is again, so what we can do rather than here is just say model. So this model, to get model object selector and get objects by filter, okay, and then we initializing new filter expression collection, which is very simple. And then we have a binary filter expression item, and then we have binary filter expression, and in binary filter expression we have a part filter expression dot part position number. So this is where you define the part position number, and string is equal, and new constant filter expression is a part position. So this is the part position of the part, okay. And the filter binary filter operator type is the boolean AND. Right, once we get all the parts, we need to create a list of assemblies. And once we've done that, we need to go, because this all part has a model object enumerator. So get object by filter, return the model object enumerator. So we can use a while move next. So we can say while part.move next if the all parts current is part is a item part, and then we add into assemblies item that get assemblies, and now finally we return the assemblies. How can we use that method? First, this method takes a single part drawing as a parameter, so we need to get the single part drawing. In order to do that, we need to create a drawing handler, new instance dot tsd dot drawing handler. Okay, now we need to get the single part drawing. Single part drawing equal, it's suggesting me wrong code, no problem. So get active drawing, this is the correct code. Okay, so now we get the single part drawing. We need to all assemblies equal, we need to copy the name of this method and we need to paste over here and pass the single part drawing. So let's see how this code works. Let me just put the return here, and if I run this code and puts the breakpoint somewhere here, start again, and I can see two assemblies. So how we can do now, for each assembly in assembly, and variable say string assembly position equal. Okay, good job ChatGPT. Sorry, not ChatGPT, but Copilot. Right, okay, so if I run again this code, okay, so we can see we got HS39, HS37, which is exactly these two assemblies. Right, okay, thank you very much for watching. Hope this will help you to understand a different approach. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll try my best to help you out there. All right, okay, see you next time. Bye.